Actually, I had a really good experience at the practice, starting from Dr. Huettner to all the staff. They were all very, very professional, helpful. All my questions were answered the right way. They really did everything to make my experience very comfortable. So it was really a good experience. So the procedure I had done was liposuction plus abdominoplasty. So the reason why I wanted the procedure done was like after previously having two C-sections, my stomach was like really not looking the way that I wanted it to look, so I wasn't comfortable in my skin, and I decided the best thing for me to do was to have the procedure done. So I chose Dr. Huettner over other practices after actually doing a really thorough research, which is like comparing surgeon in my area, and I really like the reviews that I was reading about Dr. Huettner. That's why I chose Dr. Huettner. So after my first meeting with Dr. Huettner, I really knew then that she was the right person to practice my surgery, because she was really professional and she was really knowledgeable about the procedure. She gave me all the answers to the questions that I had, so I was really confident then having my procedure done by her. I feel really good about the procedure result. I really had my confidence back. I'm super happy. Yes, I definitely would recommend this practice to my friends and family because I had nothing but good experience with them. So what I want other patients to know about this procedure is like as long as you have it done by, make sure to choose the right surgeon, which is I think what I did. Make sure to do your research on the surgeon. Once it's done, have a discussion about the procedure, and once you feel like your questions are well answered, and actually research people who have already done the procedure with the surgeon in question, and you should be good. So the day of surgery, my experience was really good. All the staff was very professional, and they did everything to make me feel comfortable before surgery and after surgery. Yes, my aftercare was good, went well because Dr. Huettner explained to me and my home health aide how to take care of the drain, how often I should take my medications, and she did got in touch periodically with me to find out how I was going. So I had a very good aftercare. Oh, yes. I felt like my pain was controlled because I had pain medications, so I never had any pain out of control. Yes, I'm feeling so good, and I have my confidence back. I don't regret it at all. I'm actually very glad that I got the surgery. So I will advise to any future patient who are seeking to get the surgery to get in touch with the surgeon at least 2-3 months in advance, so they get well prepared about the surgery and they can get the best result out of the surgery. Yes, it was definitely important to me that my surgeon was board certified. Actually, that's the very first thing that I researched about Dr. Huettner, and that was definitely a very good point and something that really helped me in making my decision to elect Dr. Huettner. Yes, I definitely feel like Dr. Huettner and her staff live out of like my expectation were definitely and fully fulfilled. They all were great, did a good job, and I really had a good experience. Yes, I'll definitely do it again. I'll do it all over because I don't have any I didn't had any bad experience during the surgery. I didn't had anything bad after the surgery, and I'm actually feeling pretty well right now, 2 months after the surgery. I think it's very important to research enough about the surgery that you want to get done. Make sure that that's the surgery that you really want to get done, and make sure the surgeon that you're going to is a board certified surgeon, and make sure you do your research by reading the reviews about the surgeon, the practice, and the type of surgery. So in that way you can definitely get what you invest in. I feel really good being here today, and the experience is amazing for me so far, especially that I'm going to get a photo shoot out of it. So that's really good, and I really enjoyed it.